Alright, so I went to my friend's house today. I'm Richard Bear, and at one of their trees I found cicada shells. If you don't know what a cicada is, it's a type of bug, and they shed their skin. And I found some of their shells. I found 5, but I can't find the other one.
Well, I shot it, Richard.
You broke one in a billion pieces.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you don't know what cicadas are, they are. Well, I just paused the thing. So they shed their skin if they get too big, and they grow a new shell. And here they are. Here's a really good one that's not that broken.
No, I'm film them over here. You can film them right here if you're standing down here. Take your socks off. Pick that bag up off the ground, somebody.
And
Say no, and my brother broke one.
no, I did not break one.
No, my brother.
Here are the shells. Here's a really good one that's not that broken. My brother shot one and it broke into a million pieces, so now I have 4. I'll get that good angle for you. Got another one right here. And another one that I found broken.
Did Richard?
Here's another one that thing was. Well, yeah. Yeah. I would have shown you the other one, but my brother broke it. He's using his gun right now.
2 bullets.
So yeah.
Yes, he got it. Oh.
Soon we're gonna do another adventure. But I couldn't bring the phone to my friend's house, so yeah.
Yes.
Oh, bye.